Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I will show you how to fix a problem when you can close the window on a game Bunker Wars. So let's say it showed me to click on the rewards, but I already took it and I just can't close the window. What I should do? I should hide a game. Then I should remove it from the cache. So use gestures or a button if you have gestures and just remove it from here, and now open the game again. And that's it, we just fixed it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. It's really important to us. See you later!